Good evening, everyone. This is Anthony, Wall Street Trader at 9:21 p.m. Eastern Standard. It's May 3rd, 2021. Let's just go straight to the fact that this is a not financial advice video. Please follow your own advice as well as with a financial advisor. Very helpful to do your own due diligence. And please understand that this is educational only and to outline my own views as well as entry points, etc. They are not to be misconstrued with facts. Intraday updates on Twitter at this location. It's also in the description of the video. Okay, very quickly, let's go into the market. So, NuCypher Bitcoin. Let's go to NuCypher US dollar, which is where everyone wants to see. And we definitely hit a serious drop here just now, literally moments ago, with because Bitcoin just took a nasty dump. If you look over here, so we're in the Bitcoin area. So if you look at Bitcoin, we just saw a massive drop. And then look at this. Look at this. It said, you know what? I'm not going to go down there for too long. I'm going to come back into this ascending channel. And the channel's, the channel's the trend, and the trend is its friend. So it'll continue to stay above its channel, inside of its channel, but above the support line that it just broke moments ago. So seems to be coming back and retracing. Time will tell. It's hard to say what's going to happen in the next 12 hours. So let's take a look back at the NuCypher US dollar chart, understanding that what just happened here is purely based on what just happened in the Bitcoin market. Like I said, sharp sell-offs typically impact every single crypto out there. So where are we at right now? So we literally were perfectly fine in this nice little triangle that you see above. The top line being the red line. That was the more intermediate channel that it's in. And then we had some support, which is this yellow line. So we pierced it right on the Bitcoin sell-off and went all the way down. We're back to 49.60. If this is short-lived, great. And it should then pull back into this in between the red and the yellow lines. But if it doesn't, we'll have to take another prognosis tomorrow. But I will be putting in a buy order at 46, and I will tweet that out later on. And just so everyone understands that, we are doing overall today we looked really, really healthy. If Bitcoin sells off, we're gonna kind of glide with it. We'd prefer it to kind of stay stable, go up marginally, go down marginally. Sharp sell-offs like this from Bitcoin are never helpful. We went from 57.4 down to 54.7. That's a pretty steep drop for like a 10-minute period. So, we have to be, we have to respect the fact that stuff does happen in crypto land. But like everything else, I think it bounces back. It's already come back within the channel, this longer term green channel. As you can see here, where it is right now, it came down and just popped right back up into this parallel green channel. Anyway, so let's go over to NuCypher Bitcoin. Today we're at 890 right now. But that, generally speaking, we're way stronger against Bitcoin than we were earlier today. And in fact, we were actually at 9 something. And let's just take a drill down on this. We were up to we were down here up to just recently. We actually went back up to 916. Look, I think this is incredibly bullish for NuCypher still. Look, if we can capitalize on this, if I could capitalize on this and have this thing go down to 46 cents, I will be all over it. I'll probably take 10% of my 30% remaining in cash and put it towards the NuCypher trade, buying NuCypher 46 if it should go down. I don't think it's going to happen tonight, but you never know. You might be lucky. But I don't think that's going to happen. But if it does, great too. The main thing is to make sure that we are we don't want to be down here too long. The idea is if you're holding NuCypher as I am, we don't want this thing going down. I prefer it to go up as well. we want it to go up above this yellow line. If it stays down here too long, then we have to like sit here and start from the drawing board again and figure out what's the next pattern. This is not normal based on this pattern. A few times we've seen this already. Many times we haven't. Look, it's in the channel. It's been respecting this red downward channel for a while. However, notice how over here we're starting to hug that top line. It's almost like it's saying, I need to get the hell out of Dodge quickly. So it wants to break out. And usually if you're hugging a red line like that, or the top, what we call the top resistance line on a channel, and you're doing it for a little bit of time, you may see a breakout. So I am fully anticipating a breakout. I don't see a failure here. But, it's going to take some time. It's not going to happen overnight. And it's hard to predict exactly when it's going to happen. But I think it will happen. And that's just my own personal opinion. So anyway, with that, I'm going to let you guys go. I will tweet out what I'm planning on doing in terms of the limit order I'm setting on a buy order for NuCypher, just so everyone's aware of where I think the right entry point is, and that you understand where what I'm planning to do. And I think everyone should do what they would like to do based on their risk profile. And please don't follow my opinions or my buy entry points. It's just purely educational. And I will continue to post my trades on a daily basis whenever we have these videos, as well as tweet them out. Anyway, everyone have a good night. I think right now NuCypher US dollar is not doing terrible here. I think it's just a shakeout of the Bitcoin thing. It actually fell down to 48.5. It's back to 49.35. Let's see how this plays out overnight. I don't want to make any premature judgments at this point. However, I will be buying at 46 if it does hit there. Anyway, have a good night, everyone. Take care.